Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Linksys Velop Pro SE tri-band mesh Wi-Fi system step by step. So before connecting anything, you just have to first of all unplug your modem or the fiber ONT for about 1 minute. Afterwards, you just have to take the Velop Pro 6E node and connect it to the modem using the Ethernet cable. Just make sure that the cable goes into the node's internet port. Once connected, you just have to simply plug the Velop node into the power and wait for the LED light to begin pulsing, which means that it is ready to set up. After doing so, you just have to download the Linksys application on your phone, then tap on the option of setup on the home page and follow further on-screen instructions. The application itself is going to detect the Velop Pro 6E automatically, and it will also guide you through creating the Wi-Fi name and the password and finishing the internet activation. After the primary node comes online, you can plug in the remaining Velop nodes at time. And for best mesh performance, you need to keep the Velop nodes elevated from the floor or away from the thick walls. So once the setup is completed, you can also check for the firmware updates inside the Linksys application. So that's how you can set it up. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.